Okay guys, welcome back to another little video here. I come across this one that I recorded on my GoPro here from the summertime. So as you can tell, I get pretty jacked up when it comes to brook trout fishing, especially on the fly, because they fight pretty awesome. And I'm just using a little pumpkin head. I think it's number 8, just trolling, and this guy came out and hammered it. So hopefully you guys like this little clip. Comment, subscribe, do the whole 9 yards if you want. So cheers, thanks for watching.
A good fish. Big head shakes, monster head shakes. Wow, did he ever hammer it? This is a good brookie. Hopefully I can get this one in the boat. This is a good fish. This might be my best fish on the fly right here. Did he ever smoke it? Man, I'm gonna play this one out. Wants to go. I'm gonna let her go. This is a good fish. Wow. Oh shit! Rig me. This is a good fish. My goodness sakes. Holy crap. Oh my goodness sakes. These are big head shakes. Wow. Biggest brookie to date by far. Holy moly. Guys, if I get this in, I'll be freaking pumped. This is a good fish. Good fish, good fish. Okay, Brett, let's keep this one on. If it wants to go, it wants to go. Come on, let's get this one in the net. This is a good brookie. Oh, man. By far my biggest one on the fly. Oh my goodness sakes. Look at those white tips. Come on. Good fish, good fish. Just play him out, Brett, play him out. Good fish, big head shakes. Come on. I'm just gonna back this out from shore here. I don't want this one get us tangled up in any trees and stuff. Good fish, good fish. Good fight, just hammered it. Man. Good fish. Okay, let's see if I can get this one in the net here. Where are you? Look at the colors on this fish. Just a toad. Man. Man. Tire him out. Yep. Get him over here. Who doesn't like a brook trout on the fly? Big white colors, white tips. In the net, bingo. What a beautiful fish. You guys want a fish for supper? Yeah? All right, I'll bring them over to you. You can take this fish to our neighbors. That's a beautiful fish. Guys, I think I just caught my personal best brookie on the fly. What a toad of a fish. I'm gonna give it to the neighbor. They wanted to have a feed of fish for camping, so I'm gonna give it to them. What a beautiful fish. Just a beautiful fish. We'll give it to the neighbor and they can cook her up. Cheers. Like this video.